In this video, we're turning this ordinary cooler into a growing system. We're gonna mix some nutrients, adjust the pH, transfer bok-choi baby seedlings into the cooler. This is just an old cooler, 1-inch piece of foam, a mini Dixie cup, and a piece of pool noodle. Aquarium pump optional. So my cooler took roughly about 8 to 9 gallons, but we're gonna call it 10 gallons just to round it off to make it easier. Now this is what I use, Master Blend 41838. It's a tomato and vegetable formula, and it works great for leafy greens and other vegetables. And that little blue section is the recipe for 5 gallons of water at full strength. But we're not gonna mix it at full strength because we're gonna put seedlings in here. We're gonna go 1/4 to 1/3 strength roughly. Okay folks, the proof is in the videos. I've been using Master Blend for years and years, and it's proven itself over and over again. Check out this video. It's what I've grown in 1 year in the privacy of my own home. Indoors folks. Surviving retirement, feeding myself, my family, and my friends. So let's get mixing. I use a teaspoon and Master Blend. It comes in a 3-part kit and you can get it online. Now I'm checking the pH and you can see it sitting at 7.2. So we're going to add some pH down to get it down to 6.5. And now that I got my pH down to 6.5, it's time to check the ppms. I usually don't check the ppms, guys, but for the folks that do check the ppms, here's the ppm reading. And I did add some air stones via this little aquarium pump, adding some extra oxygen to the system, and let's see how it does. And now we are ready to transplant our baby bok-choi into the cooler. Keep in mind, folks, if you have been blessed to live in a place with beautiful weather for gardening year round, you can also use this method of growing outdoors. And here's just a few pictures of over 10 years ago, my experience growing outdoors with hydroponics. Now back to the video. See you all next week, and thanks for watching.